And she started twisting down like this. Hey guys, Karen from Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House Hair Restoration Collection. And today we're going to talk about two-strand twists. But let me start out telling you this story. Many years ago, I had a client come into the salon. She was new to natural hair and she wanted to get a twist out. You know, a twist out is like the signature natural hairstyle. So I did the twist out and her hair was fabulous. She loved it. I encourage my clients to learn how to do your hair at home, particularly when you're new to natural, because that is the only way that you are going to fall in love with your natural hair is if you do it and understand it. So anyway, I told her, why don't you try this twist out at home before you come back? So she was excited about it. She bought all the products that I use to do her hair, the leave-in conditioner, the styling product. I told her to sit under the hooded dryer after she twists the hair, let the twist stay in overnight. She did all of that. She came back a few weeks later and said, Karen, my hair looked a hot mess. It looked nothing like it did when you did it. My curls weren't defined. My hair wasn't curly. It looked frizzy. She said, I did not expect it to look exactly like yours, but it looked horrible. And I don't know what I did wrong because I did exactly what you told me to do. So I thought about it and I thought, what changed? What was different from what she did? Because I believe she followed my instructions and what I did. And then it occurred to me, it must be her technique. So I told her to show me what you did. Show me the two-strand twist. And this is what she showed me. Okay, let me show you how she did the twist out. She took two strands, separated them, and she started twisting down like this. Let me give you a close-up view of that. All right, separating the hair, wrapping one piece around the other piece. But can you tell what I'm doing? I'm dragging the hair down. And when you drag the hair down like that, it gives you a loose twist. And loose twists are what I call lazy twists. And when you do lazy twists, you get lazy results. Okay, so I've already established that lazy twists get lazy results. So I'm going to show you how to do a two-strand twist the right way so that when you untwist those twists, your curls will be fabulous, popping, and frizz-free. This hair is already prepped. I put in it a leave-in conditioner and I put mousse. I'm really focused on technique. Before you twist, make sure the hair is properly detangled all the way through. Take a section of hair, split it in two smaller sections, and all you're doing is wrapping one section over the other. Now the goal, you want to keep the hair taut and make sure you are wrapping that hair right on top of each other. Unlike the lazy twist, do not drag the hair in a loose manner. Keep it right on top of each other. And that is how you get a tight twist. Now let me show you that again. Section the hair off into two smaller sections, wrap, pull it tight, wrap, tight, wrap, sit it right on top of each other. Something else I want to point out, when I wrap the hair, I'm using my fingers to keep the remaining hair smooth. I wrap, smooth out, wrap, smooth. Now, of course, I do it lightning fast so you don't see it, but I'm doing it in a very slow motion. This is how you make sure your twist stays smooth, and that's going to get rid of the frizz. There you go. Those are tight twists. Okay, do you see the difference between the lazy twist and the tight twist? One thing that I wanted to point out that I wanted to show you on my hair, because I think you'll be able to see it better. When I say don't drag the hair down, when you're doing your two-strand twist, we have a tendency of doing this, dragging the hair down, because, you know, the twists lie flat. Don't do that. That's the issue when you're doing it yourself. You're dragging that hair down. Even though the twists are hanging down, continue to keep the twist tight. I don't know. You can't see that. Tanika was a much better model. So what I'm going to do now, I twisted up all of her hair before the video. So I'm going to take out the twist. So on this side is the actual tight twist. On this side is the loose twist. I'm going to take it out so that you can see the difference. And so I'm taking out this side is the loose twist on this side. And I'm gonna come around and take it out the back too. And while I'm taking the twist out, let me go ahead and show you the proper way to remove the twist. When your hair is twisted, it should be similar to a rope. You can take the entire twist, unwrap it like this, and it should separate right in your hands. Just like that. You see that definition? Take the entire twist, unwrap the entire twist, and separate it. And that's what helps keep it frizz free too. Don't come down to the bottom where you're picking the twist out. That's what creates the frizz. Okay, so I want you to see the difference between a twist out with lazy twist and a twist out with tight twist. This is the side with lazy twist. Okay, this is the side with tight twist. Do you see the difference? Y'all can see the difference. Let me let you see the back. These are the tight twists. Look at that definition. And keep in mind, I just used a little bit of water, mousse, just to give it some hold and leave-in conditioner. And look at the lazy twist. The lazy twist is frizzy and it looks lazy. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that demonstration on proper technique for your two-stranded twist. Technique is very important. A lot of times people put all of the blame on products. My product isn't working. My twist out doesn't look good. But a lot of times it may not be the product. It may be your technique. So work on your technique. Michelangelo would not have been able to paint the Sistine Chapel had he not used the proper technique. He may have had quality paint and fantastic tools, but without the proper technique, he would have gotten a different result. Same thing with your hair. You may have all the right products, but if you're not doing the technique exactly, you are not going to get the results that you desire. If you want to know about hair products that you can use for a two-strand twist, I'm going to put this video right here. Check it out. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.